Hi everyone. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of Microsoft 365 Copilot, the AI-powered assistant that's transforming how day-to-day work with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, and Teams. I will walk you through some real-world use cases, tips, and hidden magic that can boost your productivity and help you to get more done with less effort. Let's explore the future of work with Copilot. Before getting into this, you should remember there is a licensed and unlicensed versions. Unlicensed version allows you to access that via web, which actually helps you to uh, highlighting the differences between two documents or the text, summarizing information, rewriting emails, meeting to create the meeting transcriptions and recording, sharing meeting details and all that stuff. Whereas the licensed version is embedded into your Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and etc. So I'm going to show you now on the Microsoft Word. So these are the few applications that is supported by the Copilot. Microsoft's continuously working to extend the support to the various applications of the Microsoft. So today I'm going to show you how to format the document just with one prompt. Earlier we were without Copilot, we were spending like hours of time to format any document. Here I do have some kind of formatted document or unformatted semi-formatted document. So I'm going to just select all this document. So I already have this embedded version of the Copilot. Also you have this Copilot here if you want to really create the prompts. So I have this prompt here, write a prompt. So I'm going to take format this document. So I already prepared small prompt to format that. I'm just giving some kind of guideline to the Copilot regarding the styles and stuff. So simply click on generate. So it's working on it. You can see how well formatted this. You can also keep it or discard, or you can try more. I'm just for now I'm keeping it. So I want to improve the visual appeal of that. So I'm going to give it a try just by selecting the text. I'll remove this. I don't need this anymore. So select this and give it a try with right prompt. So it formatted based on my command, like visual appeal of this document, make it more professional and inviting. So if you have any company brands or branding, that also can be given to this document, and then you can make get the format done as per your company standards. I'll show you in my future videos as well. Uh, So as a next step, let me take a new empty document. I just took a empty document, and I by default I have this Copilot here, and I'm assume that I'm going to prepare a JD for one of my positions. So create a JD for network engineer. It usually takes a lot of time to compose, or if you even have to go to ChatGPT or Copilot browser version and copy paste, the format may not be fitting. So just to avoid all that, I'm just simply entering the prompt here, create a JD for the network engineer. Let's see the magic. So everything is well formatted with whatever it is required, key responsibilities, working condition, application process. You can customize the document and you can give more instructions via your prompt so that it will take care of it. So there is another case that I usually spend a lot of time when we organize some interviews for the freshers, especially. We have to prepare a lot of papers, question papers for them. And it takes plenty of time to prepare question papers for the various technologies. Let's try out a simple way. So you can see here, I just type the command, create 50, prompt, create 15 multiple choice questions with answers on networking to test 2 years experienced guy. So let's see the magic. You can see the questions with multiple choice answers, and there is an answer too. How long it took? Hardly 30 seconds or 1 minute. I can keep it and I can do whatever you want. So that simple it is. Hope it is useful for you for your day-to-day task. I'll continue with more and more videos on Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and other applications as well. Thank you.